Okay, got this Honda HRU216. Not revving up to speed enough. I wasn't happy with it. So far, I've taken the little plate that goes over here, the bush guard. So, this thing, 2 10mm bolts. Just take those off. Simple. And then you've got this. If I can reach the handle. Right, it's in the slow position now. Notice this lever here will move forward. There, till it hits that stop, that screw there. Well, in the end of here, to adjust it is a security. It's not a Torx, it's a security bolt. So I just unthreaded it from this because I didn't have a security tool. Unthread it here with the pointy pliers, and I could even untwist it with my fingers after with a little persuasion. So that stop is now just about at its full capacity. Okay, so the other thing I noticed is this shaft here, or lever, which is a governor. So it's already improved the speed of the motor by doing this, but I'll show you what happens if you fiddle with this. Okay, so we put it back on its wheels and leave the oil settle a minute. Okay, giving it a minute or so for the oil to settle back down into the sump. So on slow, let's give it a fire up, and then after I fire it up, I'll move to the fast position, and then I'll move that governor lever, and you see what difference it makes. Taking over lovely, idling really nice, fast. Much better, good. So you can hear what a massive difference that's making moving that governor arm. So obviously it's, I say it's down 20% on its full RPM speed. So just adjust that governor now. Check it on this side again. Sit. So obviously what I'm going to have to do, because this arm needs to be moving that way further to the right. I was increasing the throttle. So just undo this 10mm nut. Hold that. Where you gone? Hold that centre shaft there with a. It's got a flat on it. With a pair of strong pliers, and we'll move this arm to the left. So it'll give it a bit more advance on the RPM, tightening that back up. Let's see. Okay, it's a little darker than when it was tilted on the side for you to see. But as I said, I've moved this governor arm now slightly further to the left to preload it. On that centre shaft that it sits on. So now when this throttle is pulled forwards, it hits the stop. Up. I can't do it with my fingers, it's got to be done with the cable. But now I've moved it slightly, so you see the difference it makes is huge. Still idles really nice. but top end flat out. Never catch me now, coppers.